thinking about signing up for BrandCrowd, you're gonna want to watch this video first. I've been testing out this tool for a few weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you absolutely everything you should know about BrandCrowd before you sign up. Quick spoiler, BrandCrowd is not a perfect design tool. However, I've chosen to continue using it myself rather than any of the other design platforms I've tried recently, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video you decide you want to try BrandCrowd, click the link in the description before you create your account. It's a discount link I found online that saved me a lot of money when I first signed up. So let's not waste any more time. Here's everything you need to know about BrandCrowd. First off, BrandCrowd is a tool designed to help businesses with their brand identity. It can be used to design logos, business cards, and also some social media templates to save you time on your posting. I used it to add the logo to one of my blogs. It's more a personal side project than a business, to be honest, but it's important to me, so I didn't mind investing some time and money. To design my logo, I chose one out of their portfolio and then customized it myself. It took a while because they have literally hundreds of options and I had something pretty specific in mind. I didn't really like the result. I actually decided to also make some business cards that included that same logo. BrandCrowd was generally very user-friendly and straightforward to use. They have some really good options to choose from as the base for your logo, and especially for businesses making your logo, business card and social media posts all in one place can be a nice time saver. There was also one thing I didn't like about BrandCrowd though. Their pricing felt a bit steep to me. But with that discount link I found, I saved a really nice chunk of money. And trust me, even though it might seem a bit on the pricier side, the tool is worth it in my opinion. But still, I put that discount link in the description below to save you some money too. In the end, the logo definitely convinced me. Sure, there might be cheaper options out there, but none of them offer the same package of features that BrandCrowd does. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any question or want to share your own experience with BrandCrowd, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them.